Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at Your Next Car of the 2017 420i M Sport 2-door coupe. The vehicle is presented in the Snap Rocks Blue, is a facelift vehicle and also features a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit. We have also added a set of the brand new 20-inch CS style alloy wheels in frozen black, which really complement the wonderful Snap Rocks Blue body colour very well. There at the front you can see those facelift LED headlights. Down the side, as well as BMW's gloss black air breathers, we've added the gloss black sidebars, satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals, along with the matching aero mirror caps. Inside of this 4 Series we've got a black Dakota leather, which for drivers and passengers does come with the heated and electric lumbar option front seats. And as you can see there, we've got a 6-speed manual option inside this vehicle. For rear passengers, there's a 2-seat ISOFIX rear bench with the central folding armrest, all of which has been kept in superb condition and all brought very nicely together with the darkened M Sport headlining. A really nice colour combination between the dark of the interior and then the ever popular lighter colour of the Snap Rocks Blue. Round at the back we've gone for the carbon effect rear boot spoiler and a high gloss rear diffuser, as you can see there. LED facelift tail lights. For the boot capacity, as you can see for the 4 Series, that is plentiful in there. Also split folding seats. Onto the driver's side now, and again we can show off to you, thanks to the showroom lights today, that the Snap Rocks Blue is going to work really well under any lighting conditions. It's a really nice colour, very special when you get it out in the sunlight. I know we're thinking ahead a little bit, not at the minute, but however, when the sun does arrive some point this year, you'll be really grateful should you choose to go for this one. Inside the vehicle we've got the professional wide navigation and media screen, and we'll run you through a couple of the features and functions of that. Beginning with the navigation system, it's a really easy and a very user-friendly system in terms of operation. There is also real-time traffic updates on this system to ensure you're on the fastest route possible as well. If we go back through into the vehicle information screen, 10,000 miles till next service and 2 recorded services from BMW. Back into the Bluetooth section, where you're going to pair your device for both audio and telephone on this vehicle. And there is also a wide array of other multimedia inputs as well, including DAB, music collection, USB and AUX. We do also get cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. The overall mileage is very low, it's actually only covered just over 15,000 miles. So yet again, another low mileage example of a wonderful 420i M Sport 2-door coupe here at Your Next Car. So from us all here, we're very grateful for you taking the time to watch one of our walkarounds. We hope you've enjoyed it. If you would like some more information on the car regarding all of our prices and funding options are of course available. Simply follow the links I'll leave for you in the description, and of course from there you can gain all of that relevant information for yourself. Thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we shall look forward to seeing yourself soon. Bye bye.